And dili.
Kaon and
Dili is
dili.
means no.
Dili. Dili man ako nagkaon.
Dili is means no. Ayaw. Dili.
And
Wala
naman,
ako nagkaon.
gihumag, gihigugma,
Dili.
tika. Dili is no.
Yeah.
Dili. Dili.
No.
Gihigugma.
Dili. No.
Gihigugma. Kaayo, tika.
Gihigugma sa kayo. Taka.
Gihigugma. Kaayo, pad tika.
Gihigugma sa ka.
Already.
I know this random. I know this random, but what?
Tanga!
Yeah, tanga is stupid, right?
Tanga is
Yeah.
a very good word. Alam mo yung mga Chinese, tinuturo namin tanga, kunyari pogi yun. Hoy, tanga! Sabi naman nila. Kaya ng mga Pinoy. Kala nila pogi talaga yung ibig sabihin.
It's staircase.
It's staircase. Tanga! Parang pogi si Azan. Pogi siguro yun, no?
Ha?
Pang pogi sa aba niya eh. Groping siguro yan. Ba't may sister-in-law siya na Pilipina? Asawa siguro ng kapatid niya, gano'n?
Yeah.
Hindi pogi na ako. Dili pogi. May asawa ding Pinoy. Pinay din siguro gusto niya mapangasawa, kaya nasa Bigo yan. Sister-in-law ko from Bacolod. O, diba? Sister-in-law niya Pinay. Ay, wow. She's alright.
From Bacolod. They actually they speak different language, boss. They speak Ilonggo.
Tanga mo
That's
talaga.
their dialect.
Hayop ka. Tanga mo.
Bakit? Yeah, Ilonggo. That's what's their dialect called?
Nahayop ka.
Ilonggo. Bakit ba? Anong ginawa ko?
Hayop ka. Hayop ka. Hayop ka. Hayop ka.
All I can say is
hayop ka.
actually, boss, in your sisters-in-law's place, I can also speak their language.
Hindi ko maintindihan ang sinasabi mo.
I can also speak their language, boss. I can speak and then I can understand as well their language.
Tereste, ang kote ng luwi ko. Speak Bisaya.
Okay. Actually, Ilonggo and Bisaya is kind of similar, also.
Ilonggo, Shido.
Oh, really?
Halos magkatulad lang? Ilonggo at Bisaya?
Yeah, it's almost the same, yeah. And also there's other words in Ilonggo, the same with the words in Bisaya, with a different meaning. Like sabot in Bisaya is like understand.
Understandable.
Sabot in Bisaya is understand, but sabot in Ilonggo is different. Yeah, sabot. Sabot in Bisaya is understand.
Sabot in Tagalog is the
But
one who is bubble.
no, like actually, sabot in Ilonggo is different. Sabot in Ilonggo is different.
Sabon pala yun.
You wanna know? You wanna know, boss? What's the meaning of sabot in different meaning? I'll say yeah. Sabot in Ilonggo is different. When you say it in Ilonggo, sabot it means a pubic hair. Yeah.
Sabi mo sa Tagalog yung sabot, the one who has bubble in the body. When you're in the
Sabon
shower.
yun. Sabon yun. Yeah, sabot is correct, boss.
Sabon pala yun.
When you say in Bisaya, wala ko kasabot, it means you don't understand.
Kung ganyan daw ang spelling, sabot, pubic hair.
Yeah, it's actually the same spelling, the same like how you say it.
It's already second. It's already secondly. Hi, Carlos! Kung tama daw yung spelling ng sabot, kung ganun daw.
Yeah.
Sabot is the one who
Tama nga ni.
bubble in the body when you're in shower.
Sabon yun. Sabon. Interesting.
Right.
You can ask your sister-in-law. It has different meaning in Ilonggo and also in Bisaya.
It's already taken.
You can also joke. You can also joke to her. You wanna I'm gonna try to say it to my supervisor at work now. Is she Ilonggo?
Filipino yung niya, supervisor?
I mean ask. Okay.
Turbo.
Okay.
Ano ba si Azan, Malaysian?
You get, yeah. I think he's also from Malaysia.
Pati ba si sino isa? Si Pedro Penduko? Sino yun?
Kapangpangan. Singaporean. Yeah, Singaporean.
Singaporean pala siya, pure. Si Azan. Oh, we will be there soon in 13 days. Singaporean daw siya. Si Paan ang Malaysian.
Kapangpangan ano?
Only my language is like Malaysian.
Pangpangan